Everything's all good when you're just driving and chilling, and then you hear a crazy noise come from your car. Because you already know once you hear a noise coming from your car,
Your bank account is about to get stripped for every single penny.
there's gonna be no scraps. That noise just ruined every single plan you had planned for the rest of the week. You were gonna go out with your friends? No. You wanna go have fun? No. Your car is calling your name just for you to have to go to the mechanic and get a $10 million quote. Or for your car to sit in the garage for the next month because you found other preventative maintenance you could do. God bless the people that have experienced Rod Dog. I'd be mentally destroyed if I turned my car on one day and I hear that. I would never turn that car on again. I would just blow it up. The next time I hear a noise coming from my car, I have a nuclear bomb strapped to my